Welcome! Today I'm gonna show you 8 ideas to do this fall. There are so many cozy, fun and creative activities that you can do instead of scrolling on your phone for hours. Mold with dry clay. One fun activity you can make with friends is molding with clay. You don't need to be an artist to make some cute things. For example, we did some photo holders and cottagecore necklaces. You don't need special gadgets for this. We only used dry clay, a hair dryer, acrylic paint and varnish. This is how my pieces looked once painted and varnished. Paint with watercolors. Another one you can make with friends, but also alone, is painting some autumn watercolors. You can set the mood with some candles, a warm tea, a Harry Potter movie, and just start painting. I always like to paint in a small sketchbook, because it takes less time to make and you get off the pressure of making a big piece. I usually look in Pinterest for inspiration. I start my drawings with a light pencil drawing. Then, I make a basic layer of the colors of the drawing. After this, I start adding layers to the watercolor. My favorite part is adding details with colored pencil for watercolors. Sew a pumpkin pillow. This is a very popular one. I made a tutorial on how to make this and some of my friends and family asked me for one, so I made another for my sister. These pumpkins are easy to make and you don't need much sewing experience, only fabric, thread, some needles and pillow filling. They are such a nice decoration for autumn. Learn how to crochet. I feel like autumn is a perfect time to learn how to crochet. It's very relaxing and you will be able to create a lot of beautiful and special things, such as clothes, bags, decor. I love making crochet pumpkins as they are really easy and quick to make. I also have a tutorial for this. Embroidery. Another autumnal hobby to practice would be embroidery. You can use it to decorate some clothes you already have and make them more special. For example, I decorated this crochet mitten with a cute mushroom. You could also embroider leaves, pumpkins, squirrels, and all kind of autumn-inspired embroidery. Take a walk. Autumn goes away so fast, it needs to be appreciated outdoors too. The simplest way to do so is going for a walk. You can enjoy this for free wherever you live and appreciate the fallen leaves or making a trip. Make a trip. Making a trip is a great plan if you don't live in a place where the colors of autumn aren't as vibrant. Every year, I make a van trip with my sister to visit small villages and mountains that thrive with the colors of autumn. Visit a pumpkin patch. At last, one of the most cinematic plans you can do in autumn is to visit a pumpkin patch. They are so nice to take a walk and you can get creative with a fun photo shoot. Plus, you'll see a lot of pumpkins. That's all for now and I hope you have an amazing fall season. Bye!